your eye's natural ability to produce tears, which may be reduced by inflammation due to chronic dry eye. Restasis multidose did not increase tear production in patients using anti-inflammatory eye drops or tear duct plugs. To help avoid eye injury and contamination, do not touch the bottle tip to your eye or other surfaces.
No.
15 minutes after use before inserting contact lenses.
No, I don't.
Your eyes, your tears. Ask your eye doctor about Restasis multidose. At Stouffer's, it's what's on the inside that counts. That's why our lasagna is made with high-quality ingredients you use at home, like freshly made pasta, real mozzarella, and no preservatives. Just delicious.
Yeah.
Stouffer's. 1 year ago today, Mom started searching for her words, and my brother Ray and I started searching for answers.
When it's time to navigate in-home care, follow that Rainstorm. Because Rainstorm Care earns the same accreditation as hospitals. And Rainstorm Care means an RN will customize a plan that evolves with Mom's changing needs.
Yes, Dad made us promise we'd keep Mom at home.
Call 844-4-Rainstorm for your free home care planning guide.
Georgie, how did you get on here? What? What?
Here we go, four guys, a double top 7 answers.
Georgie's getting bigger. Georgie's getting bigger. Yeah. I feel like his head's over bigger. And Toby over here.
They might back out of a job.
Might back out of a job. Cheryl, tell me something that a person might back out of.
A bet.
They might back out of a parking space.
They might back out of a
A bet. They'll back out of a bet. Georgie, are you just out? Georgie! You're insane, right? Okay, that's stupid. You're stupid, Georgie. Georgie, you're asking for it.
Hey, Ray, the only one. Try to tell me something a person might back out of. I'm gonna say
Georgie, what are you doing?
back out of.
Are you trying to get yourself killed? Or kill the other dog?
Hey, Brad, the only one. Try to tell me something a person might back out of. You might back out of a sale. Back out?
Georgie.
Article, you got 2 strikes, though. You gotta be
Georgie.
Frazier family still.
You're insane.
Might back out of a jam.
A bet? Why are they not saying bet?
Oh, bet?
Yeah.
Person might back out of.
Or dare.
A teen father who does not want the responsibility.
These people are stupid. I told you.
Bet, yeah.
6. 5.
Oh, that was hard. Ow. His teeth. No, but that sounded not good. Make sure it doesn't puke up that worm stuff. Because he did it before. In Mom's car. I'm gonna go look outside. Because it seemed like a storm. Seems like there's a rainstorm coming. I wish. Here, it might be more severe in the front yard. Ziggy will eat you. Oh my. Dad! You left your car running. Oh, really? Yeah. With the door open. What? Ow. How? Morty, where'd he go? Morty. That is not nice. You hear me? You hear me? Is it going to rain?
What?
You think it's gonna rain?
It's supposed to rain tonight a little bit.
I wish it would rain.
But
Because I like rain. You little biter. That's sad. Morty! Morty, come here! Come here! You're a little biter. Ow. No. What is it doing now? Hey! Georgie. Toby. Are you kicking him?
no, I'm stopping him from getting busted.
Toby. Come here, Toby. What do you think of this, Toby? Is it gonna rain? It's about 4 o'clock. And it hasn't rained yet. Rain day flaw. Hopefully not. I really do want it to rain. Please rain. Please. I'm begging you. Toby! Okay. He's not here. Toby! No. Like, look at those clouds. That's like... Dang. Rain or no rain? Better rain. It's not gonna rain. I think I can all agree that it's not. But, whatever. My head hurts a lot, like right here. Wait, was that thunder? Or was that my head hurting? Hey, Toby. I love you, Toby. Oh, baby. You're so cute. Come on, Tobes. Did you hear that?
What?
It's finally raining.
Be careful with that.
I'm not going outside.
No, the tiles.
What? The what?
Be careful with that pile of stuff right there.
Oh.
You going outside?
No.
It's raining.
Be quiet. Dad, be quiet. Dad! Toby, can you believe him? Dad? Did it really just stop? Look what you did, you jinxed it. Nice. Nice going. Oh, now look what you did. I just blame him for everything because he does everything. Right, Doug? Right? Don't you do everything? And I blame you for everything?
Did you mess this bed up?
Me? Why are you blaming me?
Because your clothes are in here and the bed's gonna
I did not.
get them before you pee. Come on.
Hey, Morty.
Come here. Come here, Schitzelstein. That's what I'm naming him. Schitzelstein.
Shut up, Doug. Ow! Dad?
Did you break it?
No? Did I break it? Dad? Are you not talking to me? Why aren't you talking to me? Why aren't you talking to me, Doug? Morty! Morty! No. We aren't biting Toby.
I've never seen rain.
Yeah, he had, you dipstick. It rained the other day. Morty, no. Hey, Toby. Is it raining? Morty, go use the bathroom. Oh. That's not a good sign. What? What people? There's no people walking by. Oh, those people. Toby, where's...
Did you go to the bathroom?
No. He's chewing the bush. Jesus Christ. What do we do now?
Nothing. I just need him to go to the bathroom. He's sleeping. Well, not this way.
Toby. Morty. Morty.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know what he's doing.
Tide.
Congrats.
Look at that. Oh, look at it.
Oh.
Go out to the corner over there.
No.
Very
Look at this. No, Morty. No.
This shit wet.
What?
Don't get it wet. You want an umbrella?
No, I don't.
Why not?
Because I don't. I'm gonna go back inside. Because I'm getting wet. Here, Toby. Oh, Morty. Hopefully it didn't get in the microphone. Or else then you can't hear anything. And that would be bad. Okay, Toby, let's go back to editing. Kill myself.